Okay, recording is in progress on the Zoom and on Insta and on Facebook. How does he get any better than that? And what else is possible? So, all the DJCCs, all the PES juniors, everybody knows what DJCC and PES junior is?
Pressure is projection, expectations, separation, rejections thing. DJCC, I forgot. But
Okay.
I knew.
Decisions, judgments, conclusions, and computations.
Ah, yes, I remember.
So we are always functioning from there. Would you be willing to let them go just for today, just for this 1 hour? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, Pavad, basis, creations, and beyond. How does he get any better than this, and what else is possible? So, the topic today is, what is the topic today? Nobody knows.
Pain that we refuse to go.
Yeah, what if pain didn't have to be forever? Everywhere we thought any kind of pain, physical, mental, emotional, any kind of pain will never go. I will have to be stuck with it all my life. Would you be willing to let that go, please? We've got Neelam, we've got. Wow, wow, lovely to see. Have you here, Angela? And some design. Sorry, collection. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Even when I don't know, I can't read your names. You're welcome here. I'm so grateful for each one of you, gets up in the morning and makes an effort for themselves. Everything doesn't allow you to be present here, to let go for this 1 hour, all the judgments, projections, separations, rejections, and projections. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, Pavad, basis, creations, and beyond. What is this blah, 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 blah? This is the clearing statement, access clearing statement. And it blasts all the energy. We are all energetic beings, all thoughts, all patterns, all emotions, all feelings. Everything is just energy that we invite into our world from our learned behavior and trained behavior. And you can let it go if you want, just like that, with this clearing statement. So if you want to know more about it, works even if you don't know anything about it. Just say what Kamal said, or POC and POD. It will work. So free birdie, welcome. Nishara, wow, lovely name. Nizana, welcome, guys. So grateful for you guys to be here. Jitinder Arora doesn't want to be here on the Zoom. Everything that would you willing to destroy and uncreate it all, right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all, boys, Pavad, basis, creations, and beyond. So what if pain didn't have to be forever? What if you could allow it to go? You invited it, you could allow it to go. Your body remembers every trauma that ever happened, not only from this lifetime, but every other lifetime also. So we do so many therapies. We try so hard to let go of the trauma. And we have locked it up in our bodies for trillions of lifetimes sometimes. What if this wasn't necessary so? what if your body actually has just short-term memory? Wouldn't it be easier to release trauma then? So now that you're here, what you never considered previously possible could be possible now. Gary Douglas has devoted so much of time, energy to explore the greatness of embodiment for themselves and for all of us. I'm so grateful for Gary and Dane that I found them, that they came to me because I must have asked for something. They started out with a question. Is body just this form, or is it a part of the whole, like a drop in the ocean? Can you separate the ocean from the drop from the ocean? If it wants to, that's what we've been doing. We have been pulling out ourselves and separating ourselves from the universe that we are. We embody not only this body, we embody the entire universe. We are the universe. Hi, Betty. Lovely to have you here. So, if embodiment wasn't the greatness, then why would we, as infinite beings, choose to come here again and again, to come the body, to choose the body, to be in it? In Access, they define being in a physical body is like embodying the whole universe and totally immersed in every aspect of physical reality around us and experience all of it as a greatness. Exploring this greatness in embodiment has led them to develop this to not develop, to recognize that our body is totally can heal and transform and choose anything that it wants to. In Access, we don't actually consider that as healing. They consider as being conscious, bringing consciousness to yourself. You know, in the beginning, Gary was just after healing people and finding out body processes for them. Very soon he recognized that it is not the body processes that are going to heal you. It is the consciousness. It's becoming aware, present in every now moment, choosing that will help your body to heal. You can't be unconscious and heal yourself. Am I making any sense, guys? I can't see any face. I mean, it doesn't make any sense to me to be here if nobody wants to see me and nobody wants to be shown their face. They're hiding. If you're hiding from the universe. Please, can I request you guys to show your faces or leave? That's also okay by me. I can excuse Betty because it's 4 o'clock in the morning in her where she is. But the rest, please, if you like to show yourself, because it's how much fun it is for you to talk to a photograph. Consider yourself talking. Thank you, Mamta. Somita, Ruxana, Revati, please, can I have a look at your beautiful faces? I can't see people on Insta and Facebook, but at least the Zoom guys, please show your faces. Hi, Mahi, Ranjana. Thank you, guys. Guys, I'm going to be harsh. If you don't want to show your faces, you can leave. Please. Because it's no fun talking to walls or pictures. If I also hide myself, would you like to be here? So let's bring consciousness to ourselves, please. Ruxana. Hi, Gitika. Lovely to have you here. Where did you find out? Acha, okay. There is Neelam, where did you get connected? Where did you find the link? Right below that, there will be join the Zoom. I don't know if anybody can put it in the chat, or let me see if I can put it in the chat. Why not? But of the chat of the Zoom, oh my God, I will be putting it in the chat of the Zoom only, right? How can I give it to you? I have pasted it in the Zoom chat. I don't know how to do it at the moment because I'll have to give away. Oh, you follow me on Insta. Can't you? I think on Insta there must be this. I must have posted this. Thank you. Thank you. On Insta, can you put it, Angela? Thank you so much. Love you. So grateful for you. Oxy guys, back to where we were. Now I can see only the roofs. It's amazing. It's really amazing how people don't want to show themselves. Really, really amazing to me. I mean, you want to grow, you want more in your life, you're asking for more, and yet, when more is coming, they won't find you. They go to somebody else. I am feeling bad asking you to show your faces, and yet, okay, if this is what you want in your life, this is what you get. Everything that brought up in my world, I destroy and uncreate it all. I'm not going to fuck up my life just because you don't want to show your faces. And I won't be that rude to cut you off.
कंवल टॉयलेट नहीं बताना होता है आपको इस वजह से नहीं
कितने
ऑन कर
कितने घंटे टॉयलेट में रहते हो?
फिलहाल अभी तो हूँ How does get any better than this? What else is possible?
What else is possible?
वरना मैं
Okay,
सो
so
ऑफ होती हूँ
thank you so much. So let's come back to pain. What is pain? First, let's talk about pain. What I don't mean, supposing you, sorry, if no, I'm just taking an example that if anybody has had an accident and they broken their bones, I'm not saying you won't have a sense of pain. Broken bones are a level of intensity that pretty much no one is going to have an easy time handling. But you can make it better. And it doesn't mean that it's going to be there forever. When we are going through any kind of pain, mental, physical, emotional, we think it will never end. How many of you think it never end? I'll have to live with it. Let's make it interactive, please. How many of you think that if you have any kind of emotional or if there's a fight going on, if there's a relationship not working so beautifully, if there is children not doing well or caught up in something that you don't like, and you think it's never going to end? How many of you think that? Or you think it's going to be okay? Truth.
कमल
I
never
think
तो नहीं आता है, but then quick भी नहीं आता है. I don't know when, like, but never doesn't come now.
Awesome.
Hmm.
And do you get depressed then?
Very little.
Awesome.
Little tension,
How
like
does
fear.
it get you?
Little fear. Like depression is what I don't know, but little fear, you know. Depression is a very higher form, you can say, but I say little fear in it.
So, how do you deal with it when there are any kinds of energies like pain, restlessness, heavy, intensity? How do you deal with it, Mamta?
Yeah, I'm in questions now. That's what
Awesome.
always keep hearing questions. It is my access questions, or I'm just connecting myself to the universe, ask what is this, you know.
You don't make it as a problem.
No. A short time थोड़ा जैसे हो जाता है, but then I come out of it now.
Yeah, we've got so many tools, right? Yes, there's Neelam who says that I think it will end. No pain is permanent in our lives. My mom taught me that. Your mom is great.
And
Awesome.
Kamal, most of the time I'm in gratitude. Most of
Yeah.
it.
It could be your body is communicating something with you. Pain is a lie, guys. We buy with the intensity that we choose. We choose the intensity. Like you just said, what if there was actually a gift of pain? When you go through a fall or slip, people look at you and maybe even laugh. So everywhere you buy into it and you're embarrassed and you don't want it, rather than what's right about this, I'm not getting. You can destroy and uncreate all projections. Or what will happen to my body? What could happen because of this projection? Projection can be pretty powerful, guys. What you have projected will be. Thy will be done. So I would suggest questions is something that you keep you aware, conscious, expanded, to change things like that. There's some people who live with pain for trillions of lifetimes. There's some people who just get over it as soon as it comes. Everywhere you decided pain is wrong, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Everywhere
And
you
second thing, what I have seen in my life now is whenever something happens, I said, I have chosen this.
yes.
So why do I blame others?
Exactly.
So
ये
when I
चीज
stop
एक
blaming,
समझ में ये चीज एक समझ में आ जाए कि whatever is happening is me choosing it, you can be free of it very soon.
Yes. And
Thank
so
you for
then the
that.
blame comes in my life now. Like
Thank you.
immediately, no, I've chosen it. Why I'm blaming children, or why am I blaming? Before I used to feel mom ka itna love nahi mila and all that. I said no, I choose those parents, no. So
Yeah,
now why blame? So
exactly,
that is the thing
exactly.
that has
So
changed.
every choice that we created, that is creating wherever you are, it's a choice you can create to let it go. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, pavas, bases, questions, and beyonds. Vijay wants to ask a question. Yes, darling, go for it.
Yes, so my pain, my mental trauma or emotions come from the place where I expect from the people. Like if I see the root causes expectations and I'm looking for other people to fix it. So somehow shifting the responsibility to others. Though I knew it, I am knowing it, I go into that trauma drama continuously in loop.
Exactly. We love trauma drama. So true. So very true. Expectation lead to resentments.
Yes.
So the moment you don't, I heard this a long time back before even Access, that expectation lead to resentment. But I understood only after coming to Access what it really means. So there is this Neelam who wants to say, because of my papa, he is my companion in 4 a.m. walk to our nearby park. This walk changed my life, my perspective towards life. How? Please thank him from my side also, because every person who gets enlightened is contributing for the rest of the world to choose different. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How does it get any better than this, and what else is possible?
Well, Vijaya is my friend.
I know, she told me that I said, how are you here? She said, Ruxana. I said, I must thank her. You must thank her too. Thank you, Ruxana. So, Vijay, do you want to say something else, darling?
No, I will lower my hand. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Anybody else has any questions? Hi, Nipi, lovely to see you here.
Thank you, Kamal.
Nippy, congratulations.
Thank you for what? SOP?
SOP और इतना सारा ग्रेड करके आए हो अभी.
I know, बिल्कुल.
Yes, yes. A lot, yes.
It's your face looks so more beautiful.
Thank you, Kamal.
Nippy, can you share something? Can you share something?
बस I was on वो होता है ना, एक था कि ये करना ही है, तो ESB करी, CFP पहले, फिर ESB, वो प्रीरेक्स है सारे, SOP, वो I mean all that. उससे पहले talk to the entities intermediate, prior to that foundation. So ये सब कुछ 2 महीने में I have been God knows where, कि मेरा ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे ना दिमाग बिल्कुल खाली है.
I
Am
know.
I even here, or where am I? There is who am I types. It's that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we think it's wrong. Sometimes the mind is off and we don't know what to do and we make it wrong.
Yeah.
That is our self. That is our true being. We choose to get out of it. Otherwise, that's who we truly are. Is joy, glory.
Yes.
Hi, Param.
Hello, good morning.
Okay. So we have these hands-on body processes. I think it started with saying hello to my body, becoming present with my body. All my life, not my life. I have seen people's lives where they are not in tune with their body. There is a separation of body is wise, इसकी तो सुनो मत, ये तो सारी गलत चीजें बताएगी, जो अच्छी चीजें हैं हमें अच्छी लगती हैं, जो बॉडी को अच्छी लगती हैं वो तो गुड ही नहीं होती हेल्थ के लिए. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक लाइक दैट? How many of you are stressful? I think I'm talking to walls. I think it's 5 years हो गए मेरे ख्याल. अब ये सुबह की कॉल बंद कर देते हैं.
No, I'm
Not
new.
many people are interested in it, and nobody wants to answer or talk or show their faces. So no call from next Sunday. I'm letting go of things that are not giving me pleasure anymore.
No, I'm new. Please continue it.
You can join in other calls that we have. So you're welcome. Whoever wants to join can join other calls. But whoever doesn't want to show their face or talk or ask a question or communicate in it and just want to like a picture be there and maybe sitting on the pot, or that's also okay. I am not blaming that. I am just getting the vibes that people are not interested. So that's okay.
Kamal,
I don't need to force anybody for it.
yeah, Kamal stress comes, but there are so many tools now. Like this बड़ी कम हो गया उसका बहुत, that
So
is not there.
any of you who are stressful, even what I'm saying for that, you're stressful, would you please close your eyes and breathe? Become aware of your body. And notice what happens. The cells, when they start getting your attention, they choose to change. You must have heard in China, in Japan, people have experienced. I think in our country we must have experienced before that. But if you look at water with kinder, generous, loving energy, it has. लोग बोलते हैं इसको चार्ज कर लो, मून में रख के, सन में रख के इस वाटर को चार्ज कर लो. What does that mean?
Changes the energy of water.
Yeah. So can you change the energy of each cell in your body?
Yes.
If your cells get your attention, would they choose to change? Does your
Yes.
body know anything? After coming to Access, I've realized that your body and me can play. We both can play. I have, to greater extent, stopped overriding my body. Started to function in communion, stopped ignoring it, finding faults with it, judging it. I used to have 1,000,000 points of views about how it looks, how it behaves. Does your body know more than you about itself?
Yes.
So how do you see pain? Thank you, Vijay. How do you see pain as gift?
This pain has brought me to the people like you to raise my awareness, to
Lovely.
clean the clutter of lifetimes.
Yeah. When you be
So
with your
learning-
body, you recognize, you acknowledge the miracle it is. The moment
Some
you
learning.
try to see the, sorry, yes, go for it, Mamta.
I said some learning from that.
Yeah, learning it's not learning. If you recognize it, if it makes you lighter, you already knew about it. You some way hid it.
Somewhere I didn't listen to my body and that pain has come. Like that type of learning I mean to say.
Yeah, recognizing that my choice has brought this to me.
Yes, yes, that's what the learn.
And what else is possible now?
So I would like to ask something else.
Please go for it.
Something which I'm like many patterns of mine where I'm using access tools. However, it's still living in my body or pattern. For example, most of my life I am living being alone or not social. So whenever even send me an invitation, oh, I have this function, you come, or we have this meeting, without unknowingly, my body has come up with no, we can't go. We have social trauma or social something which we cannot show, we cannot go. Immediately, within a fraction of second, I will find 100 reasons to not to attend that. So how the, I realize this might be due to extreme judgment in my childhood and growing years. So now I completely blocked myself to open up. And I'm literally working on this. However, it's at times getting very difficult.
I know. You know, you are the creative source of your reality.
Yes.
But everywhere you make yourself the sole source, you refuse oneness in favor of autonomy.
Okay. Okay.
How to put it?
No, I'm getting it little bit.
You are the one who gets to choose.
Yes.
You are the one who gets to direct the flow.
Mm-hmm.
You are the one who determines how things should look.
Yes.
How and exactly the way the things will show up. The way you think they are going to show up. If you keep giving energy to, I can't, oh, I've got this trauma, I've got that trauma, what are you doing? You're giving energy to those, they will not allow you to choose something different. They will always pop up to stop you from what your point of view about that is. They're just doing you a favor.
I got it.
The moment you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Whenever you need to learn something, whenever you go out and learn something, it's tough. It isn't easy.
Yes.
Any learning is not easy. Access is not easy. Why do you go on? Why do you choose? Because there is a force that wants you to change something. That
Yes.
you have chosen that you want to change this. Now, that choice that you made, you want to change this, will cut through your points of views and bring you forward.
Yes.
But you do that in concert with universe as part of the universe. You cannot exclude yourself. It's an inclusive universe.
Yeah.
The moment you choose to change that, we keep giving strength to what we don't do. I can't do it. I haven't been able to do it. I will not be able to do it. You are watering that, nurturing that thought. It's grown into a tree. The moment you start nurturing another thought, listen to that. This is not working for me. I'm going to change. And everything that is, I destroy and uncreate. Everything this is, every time that thought comes, everything this is, bye bye, out. No more. I'm changing it. I'm changing. Even if you're not able to go still, just go on saying, I'm changing this. There's no more. No more. I'm changing this. What we are talking about here is a structure of autonomy.
Yeah.
Autonomy is a place where you have defined yourself. Who you are, what you do. And what are these? Projections upon you. And a lot of them are reinforced by your point of view.
Yes. Yes.
So what do they do at the end of the day? They're insidious. I'm a woman. I'm a mother. I have a face like this. I'm short. How can I go? Those people are pretty. They are intelligent. I'm not brilliant. I'm middle-aged. I'm too old.
Yeah. True.
So all those definitions that I ams that we are we've confined and lived and put ourselves in the box. Are you willing to break open all that box and choose something different now?
Yes.
Everything
Yes.
doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it? Replace those I ams with, if you have done how to become money, I am power,
I
I'm
am
creativity, I am awareness, I'm control, I am money, I'm anything.
Yes. Got it. Thank you. Thank you.
This
Thank you.
reality has taught us to be self-sufficient. माँ बाप
Wow.
से भी नहीं लेना हमने. And separate from everyone else and everything else. Anywhere you have a point of view, a point of definition for you, it keeps you being able to be absolutely what is available and your capacities and your ability, away from your capacities and abilities. You cannot receive contribution from anybody. If you say you are alone, you're autonomous, you're self-sufficient, I'm saying it with very strong because I've been there and done that. I'm still do it. It's very difficult for me to receive. Everything that is, every time I keep saying it, I need to use my own tools. What I tell people, right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 chores, boys, provide basis, questions, and beyonds.
Yes.
Let's say we've decided, you have decided that you are not good at something, whatever that is.
Mm.
I am not good, let's say accounting. I'm not good at numbers. I'm not good with numbers. I am more of this or this or this, but this I cannot do. Aren't those all decisions that you made?
Yes.
Aren't you limiting yourself? And whoever can contribute to you, are you not pushing them away? So let's say, how many structures of autonomy do you have defining you as the whatever you decided? Fill in the blanks. Would you be willing to give that up, please? Now, right away, right now, for all eternity. Everything
Yes.
doesn't allow that. This time, get it all right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, patience, and beyond. And if you
Thank-
decided the opposite, oh, I'm good at it, whatever that is also limiting. I can do it this myself. I don't need anybody else. You have cut off receiving from everybody else too.
I'm doing it beautifully.
So good and bad and right and wrong, let's discard that from our life right away, right now. And choose to be present in that moment, whatever that moment is. And ask a question. The universe will guide you to what's true for you because you will know it. What's light for you. So Neelam says, so many things in which I am not perfect and good at. You're perfect and good at everything, darling. You're not choosing it. You don't need to improve anything. You're great the way you are, wherever you are, each one of you guys. But what else is possible? to have a life that is ease, joy, glory. If you need to choose that, go for it. But not from that I don't know or I am not good enough because you decided you're not good enough. However much you try, however much you learn, however many classes you have, you will still have that point of view, I'm not good enough. So you're good at everything. What are you not choosing? You don't need a teacher. You need to ask just a question. You have done and been everything. 84 लाख जून जिए हैं हमने सब कुछ किया हुआ है. You just need to tap into the universe cosmic library by asking a question and get the awareness. You're cutting off your awareness by saying, I need to learn. I need to go from A to B to C. What if you chose to go from A to Z to F to P and to wherever? Just because you can and just because you're an infinite being. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, patience, and beyond. Please, any decision.
That was so,
Sorry?
that was so amazing, Kamal. And thank you to Ruxana for bringing Vijaya. Her question opened up so much. It's
Yeah.
very refreshing when somebody asks. Yeah.
Thank you for confirming what I have been saying from last so many years. Please ask questions. When you ask questions, it opens up doors. Otherwise, what am I saying and doing here? Anybody, you open any channel, you'll find and some guru telling you something. Just listen, yaar. If you just want to listen, go there. Why are you here? If you want to change something within you, then ask a question. Not I am this, I'm that, I'm this. What would it take for this to change? What else is possible that I haven't even considered? What am I giving so much of energy to that is changing, not letting my life change? What else is possible that I haven't even considered?
कवल
Can I
पेन को भी लंबा करते तो लंबा होता ही जाता है. लेकिन मैं थैंक्स बोलूंगी आपको. 10 दिन हुए बर्थडे गए हुए लेकिन अभी भी गिफ्ट्स आ रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. तो
How does it get any
वैसे
better than this? What else is
पेन
possible?
को करते हैं ऐसे हम जॉय को क्यों नहीं करते, हैप्पीनेस को क्यों नहीं करते. तो शिफ्ट
बिल्कुल.
आता ही आता है, शिफ्ट आता ही आता है कवल. थैंक यू सो
बिल्कुल.
सो
अच्छा,
सो मच.
yesterday, Betty, I'll come to you 1 minute. She brought up something. I went and watched a program at the Tagore Theatre yesterday. There's this Niab Midda lady. I've been watching her the short poems on Insta Live and all. And there was this, oh my God, it was beautiful. I'll just tell you one. She said, I lost my shoes. And this poem came with friends telling her, क्या हो गया, उसको ज्यादा जरूरत होगी, ये वो. So she wrote a short poem, which you will be able to see. I don't know the words, but she said, smile when you lose a thing. Somebody else needed it more. Smile. For everything she said smile, and she had a reason to tell you why. She says, always seeing something wrong in something, a problem in every situation, in everything. What makes us just go there, following this reality? What if we saw the greatness in it? And then she says, just after that poem that she wrote, after losing her brand new shoes, she had it in a bag, she left it in some shop and went back and she couldn't find it. And this poem came out of it. Please listen to it. Just say smile and Nayab Midda and you will get it on Insta Live. It's such a beautiful poem. And last few days, I've been losing things. I lost one diamond earring. I lost another one piece of the pair, another diamond earrings. And I was little low. What if that's somebody else who chose it and got it, required it more than you? What if that is the way you contribute to somebody? You've been asking to contribute to people. What if that is the way you contribute to? You have asked it. So today, can we start looking at everything, what's right about it, what's better about it, what's good about it, what's kindness about it, what's generosity of spirit about it that I'm not getting? And everything that doesn't allow us to be present with that, would you be willing to destroy and unkill it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVAS, basis, questions, and beyond. I'm in a hurry to go to Betty.
Okay. I'm in a very, very bad space. I actually feel like an absolute failure because I can't seem to walk or something with ease. And I keep asking the question and I seem to be stuck. And this has never happened to me for years and years. I can't even think when last I actually went to get tablets from my cupboard, and all of them were expired in 2000. That's how long I've never been sick, even maybe longer. And I'm in a very bad space, and I don't know how to overcome this. And I ask questions, and I'm stuck. And I keep saying, okay, I want to. I say want is a bad word. I'm been directed that I must leave yoga there and start my own sort of my own yoga studio, and I have everything there, but I haven't started my own yoga studio, and I'm so stuck. I'm in so much of pain sometimes. I mean, not being able to walk, and I'm thinking, now what is going wrong? Then I go to my talk to the entities notes, and I'm just looking all over for answers. I wish someone would, and I actually feel like an absolute and total failure.
Everything
What kind
that
of
is, everything
am
that
I?
is. Go for it, go for it.
What kind of access person would be in such a horrible spot like I am at the moment?
That's what I was saying in the beginning. Thank you for being so vulnerable, darling, that we think that this will never change. And all that you said, I know when you're in pain, you go, F this, F that. I'm not even going to ask questions. You're very great that you're asking questions at least. But sometimes when you're in so much of pain that you can't even think of anything else, then little by little, maybe you need to start with breathing. Maybe you start with giving your body a hug. Or you ask your body, what can we do with this? What awareness can I have? What are you trying to communicate to me, body? If you've been asking questions, what I get that you've been asking questions for it to go. It won't go till you recognize what it is there for, what you have asked for.
I have recognized it. I'm fearful to do it.
Yeah. Whose fear are you picking up? It only knows more than you do. It also knows how to work with you if you're willing. What if now is the time to start to work with your body? Make a demand to be in communion and work with your body, even though you might just have lots of points of views about that. What are you
I'm
saying,
actually
Kamal?
pain or anything. I'm just in pain when I sleep.
Feelings trap you, they are all lies. I can't sing for nuts, but I will try. Please don't go to feelings. Feelings trap you. They are lies that you have bought in. They are conclusions. There's no question there. Find a body class. What if you did some spring cleaning of your body and your points of views?
That's the
Maybe foundation is required.
no, that's what
Everywhere
I
you are in conflict with your body rather than in communion with your body, would you be willing to destroy and unkill it all?
Yeah.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POPAD, all 100 shots, boys, POVAD, basis, patience, and beyond. Everywhere your focus is only on what the problem is rather than what else is possible that I haven't even considered.
Mhm.
What if
Or
your
big
body, what if your body is trying to relieve or communicate and you've decided it's a failure? See, when you decide it's a failure, it is a failure, tathastu. It's that true for you. It becomes truth of your reality. Every time you're in conflict, you cannot choose greater. You cannot create your life the way you want to if you're always in conflict with something. You're at the moment in conflict with your body.
and of being embarrassed that I'm creating all this pain and can't walk properly or not can't walk long distance, and I am so like embarrassed by it.
Why is not a word? So all those points of view that are making you embarrassed about your body, would you be willing to let them go, please?
Yes. Oh,
You know, I never wanted to ever go to the hospital. My mother never wanted to go ever to the hospital. We've been brought up like hospital is something bad. I have changed that point of view, that if it is required, there's nothing wrong. Everything, consciousness includes everything and judges nothing.
I just don't like going to doctors. I just don't believe in them. I just look at them and think,
Yeah, so everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and unkill it all also? Right, wrong, good,
yeah,
bad, purple. Ask your body what it requires. I asked my body to change, not from the wrongness, but from what would it take to have more ease. You are trying to go to the wrongness to change something. If you know, we don't listen to when body is trying to tell us, Usha, I'll come back to you, darling, 1 minute. You can't. Okay, let's take a child. A child comes with one demand and you don't listen to that, and the child will come with a bigger demand and bigger force and bigger and with bigger tantrums, and till you listen to it. You're not listening to your body. If you're not listening to your body, it will keep showing you more things and you keep making them wrong. You will be stuck there. It will not change. Every single time, if you have any pain which starts with, it's just a nudge, it's just a whisper, and you ask it, it is willing to go. It just wants to be acknowledged. If you just ask what gift is this that I'm not willing to acknowledge, you will get the awareness. Listen to your body and have fun learning a new language.
oh,
How
thank
much
you.
fun it is to learn a new language. Be more intimate. Like I said, give your body a hug, or maybe just where it's paining, just put your hand there.
All that seems to work magically, but then
Yeah.
and then
No,
it
no,
starts
1 minute,
again and I get
1 minute.
embarrassed.
We have you done how to become money babu? In Access, we say please remove these never, but, try, all these words, 5 words there are. Never, what,
Yes, I
but,
know.
never. So please, you're using but again. You're saying, when you say, oh, I am doing all this, but you've negated.
Whatever you said before, but is null and void.
Yeah. You know it all, my love. Explore your body more, be in communion with your body. I know it's very, 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 very difficult, but it is not impossible. Going to the swaps, going to meeting people, talking with them, find your,
Okay, talking about swaps.
yeah.
I've done the body class. I've done it 2-3 times already. I've done a symphony and all that. I just sometimes find it challenging to find people to swap with.
Would you change that point of view and ask for people to show up? They will. You're saying you're finding it difficult. Yes, it will be difficult. Your point of view creates your reality, darling. Your point of view creates your reality.
That's it. My point of view created that. And now it's sort of opening. I am getting people to swap with me. So I must acknowledge that.
So there has to be a gift if it is going on, and it's unless you listen and acknowledge and see the gift in it, it will not go. You want it to go, change the way you look at things. What am I aware of that I'm not willing to look at? What would it be like to live rest of my life in communion with my body? Never choosing conflict with it, empowering my body to show up the way I would like it to show up. Every time you want your body to do something, start with honoring and empowering your body, not with judgments. All decision judgments you have about your body, will you please be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? And
Yes.
start a journey of play and communion. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shows, boys, POVAD, bases, creations, and beyonds. Body, what is required? Does it match the energy of what my body requires and desires? Everything that you do during the day? No. Are you grateful?
I'm very grateful for this body. In yoga, I even say to people, honor your body.
You're a yoga teacher.
Respect
What
your
is
body.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like, what is this all about? Why am I
Again, you're going to there. What is it all
yes,
about?
why? Yes, I'm going back there. Oh.
Yeah.
Could it be like I'm stuck with
had
an entity or
herpes.
something?
1 minute. I had herpes, and I think it lasted for more than a month or two. I don't know. And I was alone, and there was nobody to give me food. I wouldn't allow anybody to come in. I had to do everything with that pain. But I watched all the comedy movies and all the comedy things on Netflix and on any YouTube or any tube, anywhere, prime time or Hotstar or whatever I could see. I just watched that. My focus shifted from my body to enjoying. My God, I said, oh, what's the gift in this that I've never watched TV and I've never laughed so much? How does it get any better than this? Have you asked to laugh, or I must have asked somewhere to laugh? Hey, that's what it created. There is a gift in everything, my love.
Yes, instead of judging
Most of my major life changes have come from pain.
Oh, okay.
So everywhere you're creating yourself in so much of pain that you can't take it anymore. What's behind that? That you're not willing to acknowledge, that you're not even willing to see.
I am so curious and looking forward to next week's call to see Betty.
I know, saying, what the fuck, it's gone out. I don't want it anymore. I asked it to out and let me know what I want, and I'm willing to do whatever you want me to do it. I am with you, not against you, body. Let's do it. Let's change it.
Pupa turning to butterfly by next week.
Yes, by next week.
Oh, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this?
Yes, but you have to work towards it, my love. You can't keep complaining. There's no but. Let the but go out. But is the only
Yes, I
but you
will.
sit on.
That's so.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVAD, basis, questions, and beyonds. There was Usha who wanted to ask a question, but she has left because
Betty, you look so cute when you are laughing.
I know.
Thank you.
Energy changed. When I was looking at you first, I was feeling so bad, and now
We had such a
oh,
lovely
wow.
time. We both had such a lovely time at SOP Delhi.
Yes, did you? Oh, we did, eh? Well, I still have those pictures and I look at it and I'm
Yeah,
so blessed to have
put
met
them
you
in the
there.
group. Put them in the group.
Yes, I'll do that. I must.
Thank you for asking your question and being so vulnerable. We
Okay, and I just
we
wanted to
don't
tell you
choose
that
to be
okay, when I
vulnerable.
first come on, I am like the alarm just went on, and I still have to go and wash my face and stuff. So I feel like if I don't say hello, you must forgive me
No,
because
no,
I'm
there's no.
probably what. Yeah, I don't
Thank you
mean
for
to be
showing.
rude. No, I just thought this time I went and cleaned myself and washed my face, and I feel I want to show
Guys,
my
it's
face.
4 o'clock there. It's 4 o'clock in the morning there where she is. And you guys
Yes.
at 8 o'clock can't even show your faces. You're so hiding your faces still.
So
What?
if I don't show my face means I'm fast asleep. I'm just listening to it.
Yeah, I get that. That's why I don't force you. But the others, I am ashamed of myself that I cannot make you people. From last 15 years, 14 years, I've been doing 14 plus years, I've been in Access. If I can't still make you show your faces, there's something with me, I think that needs to change.
Betty's beautiful. She's so pretty.
Thank you.
So thank you guys. Hi, Umesh. Good morning. Okay, guys,
Hi, good
any more
morning.
questions?
Morning. Good morning to all.
Kaval, it's
It's
9:07.
9:07. Okay, it's time. Okay, guys, I hope it was helpful. Do you have any other topic for the next week?
That line which is in
Thank you, Minnie. Thank you so much. Yashwant, Sandy. I'm so grateful for you guys here. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
so Kamal, I was saying you since you asked about topic, the topic didn't directly come to me, but that line came wherein the access in the beginning of Seba's manual and everywhere we say the objective of access is to be happy and stay there.
Yeah, let's keep that as a topic. Be happy and stay there. But
Yes.
I will remove people who do not show their faces. I will remove them from here if they don't show their faces. So be prepared. Whoever wants to show their faces and be present and honor me and honor Access and honor that topic, welcome. Others are not welcome. Sorry. Bye, guys.